Imagine if just 1 tablespoon a day could melt away stubborn belly fat and protect your heart from the dangers of clogged arteries. So stick around, because today we're diving into a powerful, all-natural remedy that can help you achieve that. Whether you're battling the bulge or concerned about your heart health, this simple and effective mix can be the game changer you've been waiting. Welcome to Levitas. Excess belly fat is more than just a cosmetic concern. It's a serious health risk. Visceral fat, the type of fat that accumulates around your internal organs, can trigger a cascade of harmful effects. It increases inflammation in the body, can lead to insulin resistance, raises your risk for chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, and can even lead to certain cancer types. Moreover, belly fat is closely linked to cardiovascular diseases, as it can contribute to high blood pressure, cholesterol issues, and an increased likelihood of heart attacks and strokes. Addressing belly fat isn't just about fitting into your clothes, it's about protecting your long-term health. Continuing, clogged arteries, also known as atherosclerosis, occur when plaque, a sticky mixture of fat, cholesterol, and other substances, builds up on the walls of your arteries. This plaque hardens over time, narrowing the arteries and restricting blood flow. When the arteries that supply blood to your heart become clogged, it can lead to chest pain, or angina, shortness of breath, and even heart attacks. If the arteries leading to your brain are affected, it increases your risk of strokes. Clogged arteries are a silent but dangerous condition, often progressing without symptoms until a serious event occurs. Several factors contribute to the accumulation of belly fat and the development of clogged arteries. Diet plays a significant role. Consuming high amounts of processed foods, sugary beverages, and trans fats can lead to weight gain and fat deposition around the abdomen. Sedentary lifestyles also increase the likelihood of developing visceral fat, as physical inactivity contributes to weight gain and poor cardiovascular health. Genetics can predispose individuals to both belly fat and atherosclerosis, but lifestyle factors play a much more significant role. Stress, for example, triggers the release of cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage in the abdominal area. Chronic stress not only increases belly fat, but also raises blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are risk factors for clogged arteries. Smoking and alcohol consumption further exacerbate these risks. Smoking damages the lining of your arteries, making it easier for plaque to build up. It also lowers HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, that helps remove plaque from your arteries. Alcohol intake, on the other hand, adds empty calories to your diet, contributing to belly fat, while also raising triglyceride levels, a type of fat found in the blood that can increase the risk of heart disease. Finally, age and hormonal changes, particularly in women after menopause, can contribute to an increase in belly fat. As we age, our metabolism slows down, making it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it. Hormonal imbalances can also lead to fat accumulation in the abdominal area, which is more metabolically active and more harmful than fat stored elsewhere. Addressing these risk factors through lifestyle changes is crucial. But what if you could add a simple, natural remedy to your routine that helps combat both belly fat and clogged arteries? 1 tablespoon a day of this mix will help you burn belly fat and keep clogged arteries away. Now, let's explore how just 1 tablespoon of this powerful mix, made with simple yet potent ingredients. Remember to mix them well. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. This oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, renowned for its heart-healthy benefits. This oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which has been shown to reduce inflammation, a key driver of belly fat and heart disease. Olive oil helps improve your body's lipid profile by lowering LDL, or bad cholesterol, and increasing HDL, or good cholesterol, reducing the likelihood of plaque formation in the arteries. Additionally, it contains powerful antioxidants like polyphenols, which protect your arteries from oxidative stress, a major contributor to atherosclerosis. When consumed regularly, extra virgin olive oil can help to reduce visceral fat and prevent the narrowing of your arteries, making it a vital component of any heart-healthy diet. 1/8 of a tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Cayenne is known for its fiery heat, is also a potent fat-burning ingredient. Capsaicin, the active compound in cayenne, has been shown to boost metabolism by increasing the rate at which your body burns fat. This thermogenic effect not only helps in reducing belly fat, but also improves overall energy expenditure. Capsaicin also has a positive effect on heart health by promoting better circulation and preventing the aggregation of blood platelets, which can lead to clots. Moreover, it helps to lower LDL cholesterol levels, thereby reducing the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Just a small amount of cayenne pepper can help to tap into its fat-burning and heart-protective benefits. Lemon juice is a natural detoxifier and a rich source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports your immune system and overall health. When it comes to belly fat, lemon juice works by enhancing digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness, which can help you avoid overeating. Its high vitamin C content also plays a role in reducing inflammation and preventing the buildup of visceral fat. Additionally, lemon juice helps to cleanse the blood vessels by preventing the oxidation of cholesterol, which is a key step in the development of atherosclerosis. Lemon juice can help keep your arteries clear and your belly fat in check. 1. Drizzle of natural raw honey. Honey is more than just a sweetener. It's a powerful ingredient with numerous health benefits. Unlike processed sugars, honey has a lower glycemic index, meaning it doesn't spike your blood sugar levels as much, which is crucial for managing weight and preventing fat accumulation. Raw honey also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help reduce belly fat and protect your heart. These antioxidants help to prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, reducing the risk of plaque formation in the arteries. Furthermore, honey has been shown to support healthy cholesterol levels by increasing HDL cholesterol and reducing triglycerides. A drizzle of raw honey in your daily routine can provide a sweet, natural way to combat belly fat and clogged arteries. In conclusion, this powerful mix of extra virgin olive oil, cayenne pepper, lemon juice, and natural raw honey can offer significant benefits in combating belly fat and clogged arteries. Extra virgin olive oil, rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, reduces inflammation and improves cholesterol levels, helping to keep your arteries clear. Cayenne pepper, with its active compound capsaicin, boosts metabolism, burns fat, and enhances circulation, preventing harmful clots. Lemon juice aids digestion, reduces inflammation, and prevents cholesterol oxidation, which is crucial for artery health. Finally, natural raw honey, with its lower glycemic index and antioxidant properties, supports healthy cholesterol levels and prevents fat accumulation. Just by incorporating 1 tablespoon of this simple yet potent mix into your daily routine, you can take a proactive step towards better heart health and a leaner body. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.